Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you one of the things that I recommend checking at least once a quarter on your website. Now there are a bunch of other things, and if you want more let me know, I'll make videos on those. But when it comes to keeping up with your website and making sure that things are functioning and your clients and future customers are getting to your site without any issues, this is one of the things that you can check. So what we're going to do is make sure that none of the links on your website are broken. Meaning if you click on a link and sometimes you get like a 404 error, or you just get something saying, sorry, we're not here, something like that, that's what we want to avoid on our website. So to check if your site is having any of these, there's actually a free website that you can use, and I'm going to pull it up right here. All right, so the site that I recommend is brokenlinkcheck.com. When you come here, in the top right, you're going to see this free check for broken links. You can put in your website. So put in your website and say find broken links. Then what it's going to do is say, hey, enter URL, which it usually just takes it from there. Put in the code that it's asking you for. And then I like to say report all occurrences. If you have a giant site, this is going to take time. And then find broken links now. And it's going to go through, scan all of your pages, and come up with a list of things for you. All right, so I was going to wait for this to finish, but it looks like there is something going on with my site. And as you come down, you'll see that it'll tell you what the broken link is, and it'll tell you basically the text that you would click on to get to the link, what it says, and then where you can find it and what the response is. So if I click on this, it's going to open up this right here. And if I click on knee pain, it is actually working. And you can see for me, all of these errors are around this knee pain category, except for a couple others. And then if you click on source, it's going to give you the code for it. And then server response is 504. Now, if you don't know what that is, you can go look it up, but it's basically saying that something is just too slow. So that is part of the reason I am getting all of these errors right now, which means that it's not actually broken, it's just slow and I need to figure out why, or it could be something on the server that's a little out of my control. So I'm going to try this again later, see if the same thing happens. You can see it's still running, and see what to do from there. So there I have to problem solve. Now, if you have one and it says like 404 or something else, you're going to want to look into what this code is. You're going to want to follow what it's telling you to do or where it is and see if it's broken. And if it is, you need to go into your website and fix it. So I hope that helps. That is a quick kind of overview on how to check your site for broken links, and a little bit on how to fix it, but not too much. And yeah, basically, fixing it, you're going to have to figure out what the response is, go test it and see if you are getting an issue where it comes back and says, hey, this is going nowhere, like it's going to a link that is a broken link, or if there's something else. And if it is a broken link, again, you're going to go to your website, to where your website is, and go reconnect this to a link that is working. All right, hope that helps.